All right. Good afternoon, evening, morning, whatever time it is for you guys. Um, Today I'm going to show you how to set up your Outlook email for Ms. Jolivet's class. First, you want to go to HISD Outlook type it in on your URL bar, then hit sign in. If you're using your school laptop, it should automatically have you logged in. If not, then your you would use your login information, which would be S, then you're followed by your ID number, which and then it would be at online.houstonisd.org. As you can see there, S my ID at symbol online.houstonisd.org. And then your password would be your date of birth. So this is Office 365, the hub for Office 365. We're focusing on Outlook today, so we'll open that up. Then once you get there, just go ahead and let it load. All right, still loading, still loading. All right, so to create a message, you want to first go to New Messages. So this is where you will send your emails to. This is where you choose who you want who you want to receive your email. So in this case, we want to send it to Miss Jolivet. So we will type in NY Jolly period 2016 at gmail.com. And once you send her an email, it should save to the database automatically to a point where you won't have to type in the full thing. But that is her full email. So then next you would type in your subject, and there's a proper way to do this because for her system, it filters. So if you don't do it correctly, she won't see it and you won't get a grade. So first you would put your period number. My period is 08 underscore. Then you would put whatever period you have for Ms. Jolivet. For me, I have web game design. So I would put WebG underscore and then the date, which is September, and then 08 because it's not a double digit date, 2020. Always capitalize that month. It's a proper noun. Always capitalize it. Underscore. Then you would do your last name, your last name, and then your first name. Obviously, you're not going to put last name, first name. You're going to put whatever your last name is, underscore whatever your first name is. And then whatever the topic of today, whatever the topic of that today was, you would put that there. So let's say the topic was food. You would put food. But for now, we're just going to leave it as topic so you understand, just for a format. This will be your class period. No, this will be your class, the subject. Subject. That would be the subject. Sorry. Subject. This will be your class period. We'll just leave it as 08, just so you understand. Okay, so for the body, that's important as well. You would start off with your last name, obviously, then your first name. You're not going to put last name, first name again. People have done this. That's why I'm stressing this so much. You would put your actual last name, comma, space, your first name. Next, you're going to put your period, whatever your period is, which again for me would be WebG. That would be your subject. You don't have to write subject and commas. I just want to let you know that that's the subject, which would be WebG. That's your subject. So next you would put N. Jolivet because that's your teacher. It's Miss Jolivet. Then finally you would put the date, September 8, 2020. Since you're putting this in the body of your paragraph, you don't have to add that zero in front of it since it's in your body. But anytime it's like a double digit date, like let's say today was the 18th, you would put the 18th. You wouldn't put 018. No, you would just put 18. But today is the 8th, just for clarification. Okay. Then you would put do now in all caps. Your do now question would go here. So that would be your do now question. And then under your do now question, you would write your do now answer in red. Where how you would change the color? You would go to font color, and then you go click on red, and you give an answer. Next, you would hit enter again, change your text back to black. All in all caps, you put exit. Then again, your question would be in black again. Then you would change it back to red because you always want your answers in red, so it's easier for Ms. Jolivet to see to find them. Then that's about it. So you would that's how you set up your email. That's essentially how you set up your email. That's the format that you would use. And yeah, that's about it. There is a tutorial on how to print screen that my friend is working on. You would press you would do the print screen, you do FN print screen, and then copy and paste it. Ms. Jolivet's always gonna want proof that you did it from your laptop, so she will ask you to print screen it. But go check out my friend Cameron's video on print screening. That is it. I will see you guys later.